Hey guys, this is Casey with Fresh Start Fat Loss, and I just want to give you a quick tutorial of how you log exercise in the Noom app. So first of all, if you look at the top of the screen, you see that I've had 1,119 calories for the day. That bar right there is the range, and it shows the good range where I'm shooting for. So it says I have up to 1,011 available. I'm just saying that because I want you to pay attention to what happens when I log the exercise. So to log exercise, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says Do More. And then all I'm going to do is hit there where it says Log Exercise. And you choose the type of exercise you did. It gets really, really specific with some of this stuff, such as this hula hoop. But what I did was weightlifting today. So we're just going to click the duration. I went with my son, and we did 45 minutes. And intensity, you kind of gauge how intense you were going. So I'm going to still let that I had a medium intensity. You'll notice it burns 506 calories, the medium intensity for me. I'm going to hit save. And now if you scroll up to the top, the interesting thing is now it has recalibrated how many calories I have available. So what it does is it takes the number of calories you burned, and then you get half that credited back into your daily available count. So I just want to show you guys that real quick because I know it took me longer than it should have to find that. If you'd like to follow more, just check us out at freshstartfatloss.com. Have an awesome day.